Cardinal Dolan's years as a priest, bishop, and archbishop have not just shaped the diocese where he served, but also the Church in America. EWTN News' Montse Alvarado looks at the lasting legacy of His Eminence.
"16 years ago, on April 15, 2009, Cardinal Dolan was installed as the 10th Archbishop of New York, wearing the pectoral cross of Cardinal John Hughes, and he was quickly elevated to cardinal just 3 years later. A large personality with a love of the American Church and its history, Cardinal Dolan still has much to teach the Church. But his time as the spiritual head of the Big Apple and its surrounding areas has marked the Church in New York. In 2010, he became the first New York bishop elected president of the U.S. Conference of Catholic Bishops, a national platform he used to elevate issues of religious freedom and the defense of life and marriage.
Our economic policy should always help, not hurt, support, not undermine marriage and family.
We didn't pick this fight, and I don't like having fights.
No.
You want to say, would you leave us alone to do our work?
Yes.
We do it pretty well. Even our enemies, and Lord knows their name is Legion, will credit the faith-based communities, and the Catholic Church in particular, of being stellar when it comes to education, healthcare, and charity.
A leading figure profiling the social teachings of the Church, Dolan opened the canonical process for Dorothy Day's cause for beatification and eventual canonization. One of the landmarks of his time in New York has been his advocacy for Catholic education. He oversaw a major strategic plan to restructure Catholic elementary schools and has pushed for school choice in New York and at the federal level. Participating in the conclave that elected Pope Leo this year, Cardinal Dolan was a newly elected cardinal when he joined the college for the election of Pope Francis, when he was rumored to have been a frontrunner as a successor of St. Peter. A beloved media personality, Cardinal Dolan isn't shy when it comes to commenting on politics. Hosting the annual Al Smith dinner, he famously sat between then-candidates Hillary Clinton and Donald Trump in 2016. His love for Catholic-Jewish dialogue brought the two communities in New York together in unprecedented ways. And on the global stage, he champions interfaith work and solidarity in international crises as chair of the Catholic Near East Welfare Association. When he visited Israel and Palestine after the October 7th Hamas attack on Israel and spent time in Ukraine supporting temporal and spiritual relief efforts there. Montse Alvarado, EWTN News Nightly.